Hi, in this video we'll be discussing about the data mining. First we shall see what is data mining. This is extracting the valuable information from the available data. That is the process of uncovering patterns and finding anomalies and relationships in large data sets. And based on that, we make predictions about the future trends. So this is data mining, knowledge discovery from the data. That is data mining. Next we will see what are the applications of data mining. The data mining are used in various fields for communication, education, banking, in supermarket, in crime investigation, and in bioinformatics. In a communication, we can predict customer behavior to offer highly targeted and relevant campaigns. In education, we can predict the achievement levels of students or a group of students. For example, the students who are weak in math subject. So this predictions that can be done in the large amount of data. In a banking, we can identify the probable defaulters, whether to issue credit card or loans, etc. In a supermarket, we can predict the shoppers' expectations based on the buying pattern. Related products bought by the customers can be predicted. And in a crime investigation, we can identify where is the crime most likely to happen and when. This type of analysis that can be done, the investigation that can be done, and the precautions can be made based on this application. And the next thing is a data mining process. It is divided into the following steps. First one is a defining problem. That is, we identify the scope of that problem and objectives of data exploration. And next process is exploring the data. Here it involves a collection of data for the particular problem, collection of data here, and prepare data. Here we clean, that is unwanted information can be removed, and collect the data to prepare for modeling. And the next step is we create a model here which will help to solve that problem. How we are solving that, the solution can be done here. And the next one is a interpretation. After finding the solution, we can interpret that, we can draw conclusion, and that we can translate that results into the business decision. So that is the next step. Various techniques are there. One is the detection of anomalies. Unusual values in a data sets can be identified. That is the detection of anomalies. And dependency modeling is finding the relationship within the data sets that we identify. That is dependency modeling. Clustering, that is identifying the structures in unstructured data, identifying the clusters. And classification is generalizing the known structure and applying it to the data. The next one is data mining tools. Data mining, popularly we use two tools for a data mining. One is OR language, another one is Oracle data mining. This OR language is an open source tool. It is used for statistical computations and graphics. It has a variety of statistical packages, and we use this to represent the graphical techniques. It is more effective in data handling and storage facility. The next one is Oracle data mining. It is popularly known as ODM. It is a model of Oracle Advanced Analytics Database. It allows the data analyst to generate the detailed insights and make predictions. It predicts the customer behavior, and it develops the customer profiles and identifies the cross-selling opportunities. Thank you.